Harap?
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
Good morning mga coolest from the beautiful island of Samui. So this is our day 4. So mga coolest, again, Koh Samui is a very big island. Sa mga subscribers and to those who are watching my vlog, thank you so much. Kapun ka. So this is it. The name of the cafe is Cafe Uno at Chaweng area. Ayan, opposite lang nito kakulas yung beach, yung pinakamalaking beach dito sa Koh Samui. Again, this is still in the middle of pandemic, so as you can see, it's not really busy. It is not crowded as it used to be way back 4 years ago when we came here. So this is it. Happy breakfast mga kakulas! Super cool! So mga kulas, pilingera ako. So this is my breakfast. It's yogurt and fruit salad. O diba? Ang lakas makashare charot. Ganito kasi yung mga breakfast ng mga artist ang nakikita ko sa vlog nila. Ito mga kulas, English breakfast. Ayan. Eggs and ham and fried potatoes and sausages and a piece of baguette. Ayan. Dito mga kulas, sa Cafe Uno, they have Western food, they have Thai food and different kinds of drinks. So, whether you like Asian food or Western food, pwede kayo ditong umorder. Passion fruit, mango, banana, chunks of watermelon. What else? Like it. It's so refreshing. Diba? Ang lakas mo ka-artista, oh. Lakas mo ka-mayaman pag ganito yung breakfast, diba? Samantalang dati, saging-saging lang tayo. Tapos kamote, okay na yun. And it feels really healthy. And it's only 100 baht mga kulas. Yun talaga yun eh. Kaya ako siya in-order kasi nagtitipid ako. Pabos na yung budget ko. Charot. In fairness, the taste itself is very simple. Pero refreshing siya. Para ka rin umiinom ng mango smoothie or fruit smoothie. Ganun yung feeling. Marami ng tao mga kulas. Marami nang dumating. Pag uwi ko sa Bangkok, I'm gonna do it myself. Tatry ko to. Our plan for today is waterfalls hunting. So let's see. Ngayon kasi medyo dry season, so baka hindi ganun kaganda yung mga waterfalls. Unlike when you come here during the month of maybe September, October, November, I'm sure magaganda yung waterfalls dito. Kasi again, Koh Samui is a huge island. It's the second largest island here in Thailand. So they have really nice beaches and tons of waterfalls. Aroy makmak. At don't worry mga kulas, dito sa Koh Samui hindi kayo mabobore. Kasi sobrang daming activities dito. Meron silang zipline, may ATV, which is our plan for tomorrow. Meron silang Muay Thai lesson, may cooking lesson. Ang dami. Kayaking, parasailing, jet skiing. Meron silang pig feeding, o diba? And snorkeling. My second favorite island here in Thailand. Top one ko is Koh Samui. Again, Koh Samui is the best in my opinion. You like it?
Good, very good.
And Billy, how's your fried rice?
It's tasty.
So mga coolest, we just book our ATV activity for tomorrow. So, kung pupunta kayo sa Koh Samui, just check this out. Ito, mabait si Manang, very friendly. Nana Samui Twin Tour and Travel. So, nandito lahat, iba't ibang activities na pwede nyong gawin dito sa Koh Samui. Right now, we are heading to the waterfall, mga kakulas. Excited ako. Ganito talaga ako pag masaya. Ang OA, ang corny. Not only the beaches are beautiful here in Koh Samui, also waterfalls. So, ngayon nandito tayo sa Namuang Waterfall or Waterfall. Charot. Nawala lang yung double L. So anyway mga kakulas, napakarami. There are tons of waterfalls here in Koh Samui, but unfortunately, right now, it's summertime, so halos lahat ng mga waterfalls right now ay dry or iga. Luckily, we found one na maraming tubig. This one is Namuang Waterfall. So, I am going to take you a short tour. Let's go. I just noticed maraming local tourists na nandito ngayon and also foreign tourists. So far, there is no entrance fee. And in front of the waterfall area, there are some local stores, water, and some snacks if you want to buy. Coconut shakes, barbecue. So let's go mga kakules. Koh Samui, Koh Samui. So, Mom, how's the water? Woohoo! Good! Careful! This is video!
It feels so good. It's nice and cool. It's cool, cool, cool.
Cool, cool, cool! Woo! Woo! So mga kules, after swimming, here we are. You can also feed the elephant. This is Mom. Oh, banana and sugar cane. Oh, close up, honey. How does it work, Mom?
Just right here. That's right here. Yeah.
Oh,
And he grabs it like its fingers.
it's really cute. Somebody ka. Somebody ka. Good boy. Good boy or good girl?
I don't know.
50 baht for one small basket. We went back home to take a shower and clean up. And now, itutur ko kayo sa kanilang night market sa may Chaweng Beach. So let's go. Ready na ba kayo mga kules? Excited na ako kasi itutur ko kayo sa iba't ibang street food dito sa Koh Samui. This is a night market here in Koh Samui. Just opposite of Central Festival or Central Samui. So tara mga kules, pasok tayo.
Let's explore the world we see. All the dangers have been made up. You believe what they say. Through the heartache, I would stargaze. No invasion today. We've come this far. Through wind and rain alone. So take your chances to embrace the waterfall.
Grabe, sobrang dami ng choices ng mga pagkain from Thai food to Western food. Iba't ibang klaseng drinks at mga souvenirs at damit, accessories at iba't ibang Thai knickknacks. Ayan o, ang daming food. It's overwhelming. So kakules, ano yung binili mo?
Chicken kebab with cheese. So ito, yung pinakamalaki large. So tikman natin kung masarap. Sarap! Pinalo!
Asado ba? Magkano yan? How much?
120.
120. 120
Sulit na
baht?
kasi sobrang laki nyo.
Oo nga eh, ayan o.
Almost for, I think, pwede to sa dalawang tao, pero dahil,
Totoo. Good for two.
dahil
Kasi ako
I'm a
hindi ko yan
foodie
kaya.
and I have a big appetite, I can finish this one and get another one, maybe pad thai.
So ito mga kules, this is Pad Thai Kong. One of my favorite Thai food. this is Pad Thai Kung, the famous Pad Thai shrimp. So let's see. Harap, lemon juice. This is better than street food Pad Thai in Bangkok so far. Maybe because the seafood is fresh, the shrimp. Wow. You can tell the shrimp is fresh because it's a little sweet and tender. One more. Next mga kulas, ang ating shrimp tempura. Narinig niyo yun? Crunchy. And it's only 60 baht. And big shrimp. What do you call this? Mussel?
Baked mussel with
Baked mussel with
cheese and garlic.
cheese and garlic on top. They use torch. Is that how you eat it? I don't know how
Just
to...
use your fingers.
Oh, okay. Pasensya na. First time kasi I'm not used to it.
How you eat it.
Oh, look at this close-up, honey.
Put it all in your mouth. It's good.
Refreshing.
Don't do that with a mussel.
Good.
Really good.
Yeah.
Good.
Just delicious.
Pork ribs.
I like ribs.
But I don't have water. Nakalimutan ko. Oh, okay. It's really good, kakulas. So, that's it mga kakulas. I'm just going to finish the food. I hope you like my vlog. And please share, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.
Like this video.